What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today gonna teach you how to print rectangle metal tin. And just let me briefly introduce the thing we're gonna use in our process. Of course, first thing is our printing machine A03 and metal tin. Aluminum sheet is where we print on. Printing paper, high heat resistant tape, and Teflon sheet. Okay, before we start printing, I'm gonna set the temperature to 180 Celsius degree and the time to 45 seconds. Okay, and right now, the pattern we are using right now is manual pattern, and I'm gonna change it to automatic pattern. Just twist it. Okay. All we need to do right now is wait the temperature heats up to 180 Celsius degrees. And during this period, I'm gonna rid off the film on aluminum sheet before we print it. And put it on our printing paper with high heat resistant tapes. Okay. Just be careful about the position. Making it on the right position and direction. Alright guys, the temperature has heated up to 180 Celsius degrees, and let's just put aluminum sheet on lower platinum. Fully covered with Teflon sheet. The pressure we are using right now is medium, and we suggest you medium pressure is okay. Close it, we can print now. Okay, time's up. Before we touch it, must wear gloves for protecting ourselves. Uncover the Teflon sheet. See? So pretty. Clear image. One last procedure is to rip off the film on rectangle metal tin right here. Tear it off and just put our aluminum sheet that we just printed. I'm gonna stick it on our metal tin. Alright, that's it.